Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve denied accounts on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve the denied account on Clash of Clans, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can go to Clash of Clans. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about Clash of Clans. If you will find you updating this blue sign, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.